smells greeny. It smells like greenish, flowery-ish, sweet-ish, clean-ish. It has all of the ish together, and it just makes the perfect virtual flower. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some fragrances that we will be rocking for the summer. So let's get into it. My name is Choerline. If you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe to your girl. We do all things over here, okay? So today we're talking about some summer fragrances, or some fragrances that I'll be wearing for the summer, and also you can get an idea of some fragrances that you can also add to your collection, or if you already have it, you know that you can wear it for the summer. So let's get into the video. You already know we suffer from ashy-itis, so your girl has to have some type of moisturizer for her skin, okay? Some body butter, some body oils. And what I've recently picked up has been the whole Solitaire collection. The scent for this one is called Scento Bloom, and this is the body butter from Solitaire. And I also picked up, as you can see, I've been using it, this is the nourishing body oil from Solitaire as well. Now it's not crazy strong where you can't, like, you know, wear other type of like fragrances with it, so it's like faint. So oh, you're not breaking stuff. It smells really good. I have the body wash, I have the body butter, I have the deodorant. This is the Solitaire scent is Scento Bloom 5% AHA serum deodorant. When I tell y'all, this is the roller ball of the deodorant. When I tell you, put it on a little bit. When I tell you, I don't even smell myself. Like, when I wear other deodorants, I'm usually smelling like, I could smell it. Like, I could smell the deodorant. I could smell like it's my body starting to like, okay girl, you need to reapply or do something. With this one, when I tell you, like, I haven't had and you know it's summertime and you know it's hot, and you know when you don't put on a deodorant or you don't put the right one on, your body will snitch on you. But thank you for Solitaire for these deodorants. I will have them linked in my Amazon storefront, so check them out, okay? Now let me talk about some of the daytime fragrances that I definitely recommend for the summertime. This is the Versace Bright Crystal Absolu. Now they have the regular one called Bright Crystal, but the Absolu one is the one that's like an intense version of it. And when I tell you, this smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells so clean. It smells sweet. It's like a perfect fragrance for the daytime for you to wear. I have a little bit left, and literally I'm like, dang, like I gotta, let me see. Barely, but it smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish the bottle came in bigger. That's the only thing that I wish. I wish it came in a bigger bottle. It probably does, but I purchased this on the website called Rebel, where they sell designer fashion fragrances for the fraction of the price, and it's not dupes, and it's the authentic thing. So when I tell you, Absolu smells so fresh and so clean, and it just smells really, really delicious. When I wear this, I definitely do get compliments in the beginning, but it does wear off throughout the day. You probably just have to reapply, or again, know how to layer your fragrances so you can have that all day lasting wear fragrance scent type thing. It has like a sweet scent to it. Again, the notes will be on the screen because baby, I don't know nothing about these notes. I can tell you what it smells like. It smells sweet, not too floral, but it just smells good. Like, it smells like you're that girl. Like, it smells like a sweet girl, like fresh. You took a nice shower, you're wearing your crisp white t-shirt, your jeans, and your hair is done, your makeup is like simple, and you just put this on. Perfect for the summer. Perfect if you're gonna go lay on the beach. Perfect if you're going out for brunch. This is perfect if you're gonna go to church in the morning and you want to put this on. I love this for a daytime fragrance. Definitely check out the Versace Bright Crystal Absolu. The next one that we have, this is Acqua. I be saying Acqua di Gioia. I can't speak, but this is Acqua di Gioia by Giorgio Armani. Okay, look how cute is this bottle. And this one also is another fragrance that smells, I think I'm gonna wear this one for today. I know you're not supposed to do this, don't judge me, but I did it. This is nice. This is nice. This is strong. This is nice. This is very, very fresh fragrance. As you can see by the color, it's giving fresh. It's giving aqua. It's giving water. It smells like you know that You know the spray, the glade spray, the Glad spray, the one that you spray, it smells like crispy waters or fresh waters. This is what this smells like, but for your body, and it just smells so good. And that's why I think I love it, because when I buy that to spray around the house, I love the way it smells after you done annihilated the bathroom. Yeah, so this fragrance smells very fresh and very clean. It's giving like I need to be on a yacht, you know, in Dubai or something like that. So that's what this fragrance is giving over here. Spray real quick when I tell you, in case somebody give me a little hug, like, oh, you smell nice. And my weave gotta smell good too. Get you that Acqua de Gioia. I be want to say Gioia, but I don't think I'm saying it right. But it's by Giorgio Armani, and it was on sale at Sephora. So I don't know if the sale is still happening, but it was on sale, so that's why I was able to get it. Okay. The next one that we have, and I feel like this can pair well with the Acqua. This is called Good Chemistry by Queen Bee. This is what the bottle looks like. I had this fragrance like years ago, and for the life of me, I couldn't remember. It used to be at Target, but when I went back to Target, they no longer had it, and I'm like, where can I get it from? Where can I get it from? And I finally found the picture on my photos, my Google photos, that's like from years ago, and I was like, I love Good Chemistry. I need to get it again. So I looked it up, and I was able to get it on Amazon, and it was like maybe like $20. Another fresh fragrance. This one gives like citrusy fresh fragrance, so I feel like these two can pair well together, like water fresh and citrusy fresh. Maybe I'm tripping, maybe I'm not, but I feel like they can go together. Maybe not real bad, but it can go together. The notes will be on the side, but from what I get from it, I definitely get the citrus vibes from it. So another fragrance for the summer. The summer, you ain't trying to wear what you want to wear, but like you don't want to be like so strong where it just, the strongness and the muskiness combine together, and it's just, you know what I'm saying, you pick up what I'm putting down, you know what I'm saying? So be mindful of that. The next fragrance that we have, this one is by Coach. What is this one called? I don't know. I don't remember what it's called, but this is another fragrance by Coach. Okay, I don't know the name of it, but this is what the bottle looks like. This is how the bottle came. It didn't have a top, but you just twist. Hold on. When you twist it, it locks. So once you twist it, it locks. So if I twist it this way, it's going to spray, but if I twist it back this way, it's gonna lock. So you just have to remember that. But I never really lock it, because I'd be ready to just, and I'll be like, why it's not spraying? Why it's not clicking, Steven? Because it's locked, girl. So this one smells really good too. I would wear this one for like, you know, nighttime wear. You could also pass it for the daytime, but it also smells good for nighttime wear. Now, does it compare to Coach's Dreams that I mentioned in my previous videos? This is all part of the same Coach family, but Coach's Dreams just have like another level that this one doesn't have. You probably have to like reapply every now and then, but Coach's Dreams, like I barely had to reapply, but this one, it's like as the day goes on, it slowly like goes like it started to faint. Like it's very faint, like you smell it very faintly, but then like someone will compliment, be like, oh, you smell good. You're like, what? You can still smell it? Like, oh my gosh, okay, I guess it's not what it needs to do. Nothing like someone complimenting you to say that you smell good. I love getting, oh my god, you smell good, what you got on? This, that splat. Do you not know that this is that splat, baby? Like, Coach smells really good. Again, I would say for like, you know, a little afternoon, little evening, you could definitely rock this Coach one over here. The next fragrance that we're moving into, this one is called Gucci Guilty. Look how cute and tight. Tell me the bottle is not so cute and tiny. Do you see how cute and tiny the bottle is? Like literally, look how tiny it is. This one is the Eau de Toilette, and it's not the Eau de Parfum, because when I was trying to get this on the website, which was Rebel, because you know I love Rebel, they didn't have the Eau de Parfum, and I was like, I want it now. Like, I don't want to wait, I want it right now, and they didn't have it. So I was like, let me try the Gucci Guilty Eau de Toilette. It's not as strong as Eau de Parfum, but I still like it nonetheless. Like, it just gives, it gives grown woman, like she's a woman, okay? She's a woman. This is a woman's perfume, okay? I just love it, and I just know the Eau de Parfum smells even like stronger. It probably has like a longer wear time. When I bought this, I was like, it was like here, like maybe like here, right? So I'm thinking to myself, that's all the fragrance that's in here? I know I was not bamboozled, but when I flipped it the other day, I said, oh, okay, I still have a good amount left. So it's like, you see where it's at? Yeah, so I thought this part was for decor, but it's not for decor. There's actually perfume in there. I didn't know that. I thought it only was up here and this was like, you know, part of the bottle, but no. So I thank God for that. But if the eau de parfum goes on sale, I would recommend you get the eau de parfum versus eau de toilette. But if you're the type of person you don't like strong fragrances, get eau de toilette. But if you do and you want it to last a little bit longer on you throughout the day, definitely get the eau de parfum. So I walked into Sephora, I don't know why, but I walked into Sephora and then I was smelling the fragrances, and then I smelled this fragrance and I was like, what is the name? Like, I literally took a screenshot and I was like, okay, I can't get it right now because the way my checking and my savings is set up, you know what I'm saying? I can't get it right now. But I said, okay, I'm gonna look online to see how I can do what I need to do. So I took a picture of it, and like literally ever since I took a picture, I've been daydreaming about this scent. I was like, I need to get it. Like, I need to get my hands on it like ASAP. And of course I did just that. This is the Prada Milano, and this one is in the scent is called Virtual Flower. And I just love how the bottle is. So like if you put it this way, it's gonna fall, so it has to like go sideways. So this is what it looks like. And of course you see the name of it here, Virtual Flower, right here. So this is the Prada. Now for this to be 1 fluid ounce, I was only able to get this on Sephora. Like, I looked everywhere else that I felt comfortable looking, and I just couldn't find it for a lesser price for the 1 fluid ounce. So I did get it at Sephora, and it was like $100 for this little bottle here. But when I tell y'all, this thing smells so fresh and clean, and it just has like a little bit of spice to it. It feels like you took a good old shower, you ready to go on a nice date with your man, with your girls, by yourself. You ready to worship the Lord. You just ready to you look good, you feel good, and you smell good type of vibe. This is what I would describe this as. Now I wish I could find a body oil that goes with Virtual Flower, because I feel like if I have a body oil and I put this on top of it, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, okay? It smells greeny. It smells like greenish, flowery-ish, sweet-ish, clean-ish. It has all of the ish together, and it just makes the perfect Virtual Flower. Last but not least, the other fragrance that I also picked up along with this Prada Virtual Flower, this one, I was on social media, you know, they're like, tell me like your biggest, I'm talking about fragrance that you get the biggest compliments on, like people chase you down the street on. And every comment I saw, they always mentioned this fragrance. And of course I got the chance to smell it at Sephora also, because you know, I'm just out here just strolling through Sephora, don't know why, but I was like, when I smelled it, I was like, oh, I get it. 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 So what did I do? I got it. This one is called the Prada. This one is Paradoxe Intense. This is what the bottle looks like. And as you can tell by the color, you know that it is intense. I just love the bottle. It just gives like, who's that girl? Na, 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 na. So this fragrance smells so good. Now this is a fragrance that I will, piece of hair. Paradoxe Intense, like what can I say about this fragrance? It smells so good. This is definitely date night, nighttime fragrance, okay? It smells super good. Like it smells very, very good. What I use with this one to pair it off to make the scent just, you know, elevate it a little bit more, I use the Brown Sugar Babe body oil. This one is in the scent is Miss Independent. Now this goes very well with YSL Libre, but I was like, let me try this along with this one. And girl, take a seat, let me tell you about this right here. It smells so good, and like the two of them paired together definitely goes well. I haven't had this for long. Like, do you not see where it's at? Mind you, I just purchased it. Like, I literally been drowning myself in it because it just smells that good. Perfect for nighttime. Perfect for nighttime. Maybe they gonna smell you when you walk through, okay? And like we said, we love a good what you got on compliment, okay? Okay. These are the fragrances that your girl has been rocking, will continue to rock for the summer. Comment down below which one was your fave. comment down below which one you have, which one you're gonna add to your collection. Comment down below if you have any questions or which one you recommend for the summer that, you know, if I didn't know about it, somebody else could read about it and I could read about it too. And of course, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk through and purchase it. Pray for me. But thank you very much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. Again, get you a good fragrance so you can smell good and feel good and just look good this summer. Like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.